Hey you guys, it's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, and today I'm exceptionally excited to share with you one of our neighborhood features, the St. Augustine South. Now the St. Augustine South is located in 32086. It's right off of US 1. You're about 10-15 minutes to Anastasia Island and the beaches, to downtown in the historic district. A big reason people love this neighborhood is it's built around the Intracoastal. You've got county-owned land that's great for walking trails, bringing the family, the dog, play fetch by the water. You've got 2 public boat ramps. Everything's built on about 80 by 100 size lots, so everything's a double lot. They're really mindful of keeping the vegetation, the big oak trees, the Spanish moss throughout the neighborhood. It's a fantastic neighborhood. I can't wait to share this film with you. Check it out, St. Augustine South. If you're thinking of buying or selling in this neighborhood, you gotta contact the Newcomer Group because we help tons of families and people purchase and sell in here. My name's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard. Thanks.